Welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Jordan. The market is on the rise, and today we're going to look at what coins are bouncing the hardest as Bitcoin takes its rally here. As you can see, Bitcoin is currently rallying back up again. Now, if we zoom in to the chart, we can see what is actually happening more clearly. So Bitcoin is now in an upwards rally trend. It looks like it has reclaimed $87,000 and it crashed so low to 80,000. What's going on, guys? By the way, nothing in this video is financial advice, so always do your own research and due diligence. If we go over and take a little look at coin market cap and filter this by 24 hours, we can see that once again Zcash is the coin pumping and bouncing the hardest. So the privacy narrative is in full flow. What other privacy coins do we have down here? We will check them out. But we do also have Hedera. Why is Hedera Hashgraph up 19%, guys? And then the SPX 6900 is also rallying hard, 16%, and BitTensor Tau is up 13% too. So BitTensor is quite a strong coin and project. And then we have Stellar, which has started to perform quite well recently, and Kronos. Everything else is pretty much obliterated, although XRP seems to be recovering, and we do have Monero covering 6%. So all the coins that did get obliterated are slowly but surely starting to pump. So we have Monero and Dash as well, guys. Let's go over and check out the top sector in cryptocurrency, which is the privacy sector. And here in the privacy coins, we have Zcash, Monero, and Litecoin, Canton, and Dash. These are the four, and Decred. These are the top coins pumping the most in the privacy narrative, and these are the coins these were our previous videos, guys. So these are the coins we previously covered, most recently, the latest here on this channel. So yeah, they're the coins performing the best right now. Also, look at this. It's terrifying. I checked out the fear and greed index and it's at 10. It looks like it made another new low here today. This has got to be an all-time this has got to be a record-breaking low, or at least within that range, right? I mean, this is ridiculous. People lost their marbles and everyone gave up on the bull market, throwing in the towel and capitulating and selling everything, guys. So I was actually in Dubai, so I wasn't even here. I went away for just over a week, guys. I came back and then Bitcoin was down at 80k. Like, what the hell happened? Crazy. Anyway, we have Base, we have Solana, and we have Tron. What's going on in the DeFi landscape? If we look at all chains, the TVL, or total value locked on all chains, has been plummeting down. So DeFi not looking too hot there. Hyperliquid once again is leading the way when it comes to the top chains by fees and real, actual revenue generated here in cryptocurrency in decentralized finance. We can see that over here with a total of $4.8 million in fees generated, which is actually quite interesting. It shows that a lot of people are getting into the market and trading, whether that's shorting the market to try to do leverage, or putting longs on to try to do leverage and make some gains in the market here. EdgeX is another perps DEX chain, and these are perps chains, right? And then we have Tron and Solana and Ethereum and BNB, Bitcoin and Base, all of these lagging behind Hyperliquid, which is really stealing the show here. What's going on over on Sui? We can see a massive stablecoin supply change influx on Sui over there, so that's pretty interesting. Checking the chart of Sui, we are down in the goddamn in the gutter, in the basement, guys. This thing couldn't have performed worse. Yeah, there you go. It couldn't have performed worse, basically. That is terrible. The terrible performance from Sui. By the way, if you want to get in and do some trading, futures or leverage trading, then the crypto futures trading platform is a place where you can trade crypto futures on Bitcoin, ETH, Doge, and Sol, guys. So all major coins, and instant onboarding and no KYC. So check out that, and the link is in the video description below, and you can cash out anytime. You can get up to 1000x leverage. So if you want to get started with coin futures, the link is in the video description below. Also, if you do not already have a private no KYC Bitcoin and cryptocurrency wallet, then the download link for this no KYC crypto wallet, Best Wallet, is in the video description, and you can download this on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and it's audited by Certic, which is the best company for security in crypto. Also check out the Best Wallet token sale, because right now their token has only 4 days remaining until it's the end of this sale. So the link to Best Wallet is down below in the video description, guys. And so for today, if really we're just focusing on Bitcoin to see what happens next, but we can really get a taste of what's going to be pumping the most, guys. We're going to be seeing Zcash pumping, and we're going to be seeing Monero. So look, Bitcoin does a small, what is it up today? 3% pump. Is it up? Yeah, it's up 3% today. So keep in mind, when Bitcoin pumps 3%, there you go. You have Monero pumping 5%, and then you have Zcash pumping 17%. So that is what happens when Bitcoin pumps just 3%. just a little bit. So keep that in mind here. The privacy narrative is bouncing. Ethereum isn't even doing anything, and Solana is performing so badly, so badly. The same with AVAX and these other big coins. So the privacy coins really have a strong narrative and use case. Check out. So this is Monero against Bitcoin, guys. XMR against BTC is breaking out as well, or it broke out earlier on today and actually made a new high. So Monero and privacy coins could be the thing, could be the play here, right? Over Bitcoin. If you guys love daily crypto news and altcoin market update and analysis, then follow us here on this channel, guys, regularly for updates, and we'll see you all in the next videos.